I made a video on Don't Press the Button #1, and now today we're playing Don't Press the Button 2. Okay, I was finding this, so I tried to play it, and I was like, you know what? Probably I should play this for a video today. So yeah, welcome back, guys, to the Diamond Stick Man. I'm your host, which I just said my name, the Diamond Stick Man. Yep. Oh, I remember that level from. I watched in the video. I remember that level. I'm watching it. I'm playing. Oh no! I have a big head. Why do I have a big head? No! Okay, I'm better. I'm okay. I don't have big. Whoa. Okay, I almost died that time. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a nice, happy little one. Have you ever bounced super high on the trampoline before? Have you ever done that? I think you have. Tell me, I think you should tell me. Probably. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, what? Holy Diamond Minecart, what is happening? I should type that in the chat. Holy Diamond Minecart, what is happening? Holy Diamond Minecart, what is happening? Call me Diamond Minecart. What is happening? It said call me Diamond Minecart. What is happening? Oh, wait. Who? I died already. Oh, what's going on? Do you guys? Oh, it's a race. I think I haven't done a race before in real life. I've never done a race in Roblox, actually. I've done it with my sister. Probably I did. Oh, I almost made it. I think I made it. Guys, do you count that? Why is it? Okay, there's a bunch of noobs. There's a bunch of noobs. There's a lot. I don't even noobs. Okay. If I get blown up by that, I'm going to end the video. Oh, okay. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I can't wait to show you more of Don't Press the Button.